Okay, we Project Bimmers, and we back with another rescue. This is a 530i. This is an e39. This is one of my favorite BMWs, man. She needs a lot of work because she's been abandoned, but I got my hands on her now. So she doesn't start. She has some issues. She got hit in the front. So all this is damaged. All this is damaged. I think there was a spider living in this bitch. Maybe that fucking spider web and shit. But yeah, this is pretty much what we deal with when we do rescue. So this is how it looks now. Let's check out the interior. Black interior. Leather looks a little cracked. Not crazy. In here, the fuck is that? That's coming out of here ASAP. We don't fuck with that. But previous owner, that looks cracked. I can some people just first looks really. This is your first looks just as well as mine for the most part. You know, we gotta clean that, but for the most part the interior looks good. It's not too bad. She doesn't start and the battery's dead. So today, since I'm out here looking at her, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see what's up with this battery situation. I'm gonna get the battery changed out. I'm gonna go to AutoZone, see if I could go recharge this battery, get this car on at least so we can run a scan, see if any codes come up, and that way we could get a diagnosis going on and see if we get this bitch started, and we got another Beamer in the squad. Feel me? That's how we do. I'm kind of excited right now, I'm not even in front. All right, so got some work to do. Lock these fucking doors. I'm good. First looks, that's what's up. All right, got the keys. This is the battery, okay? It's a Duralast battery, that's just from AutoZone anyway. So that is, let's see, that's a 13 it looks like. That looks like a 10. Let's see if my skills is up to par. I say a 13 and a 10 just by eyeballing. Let's see what I got. Let's see. Got here. I got a 10 right here. Let's try this. This goes right here. Spot on. That's a 10. Okay, so we'll get that off with a 10. Let me just leave that there. And then that's a 13. Let's see if I got a 13 on me. This is a 10. I got 10 there. And this is a 13. Alright, so 13 for this. Yep, perfect. Alright, so there's 10 and 13 on there. There's another one there, so that's a clamp that goes on this battery stabilizer bar. That's what holds this battery down. So what I want to do now is take this battery out of here. So I'm gonna take it over to AutoZone, let it charge up for a while there, and see if we could get some juice going on. I want to scan this car, get a code, and then we're out of here. This is going to be a quick job today. I just want to let you guys know this is the type of shit that be going on in the background. So this is a rescue again, back with this rescue. What is that? God, Jesus Christ, this whoever had this car, dude, Yeah, let me not talk shit about the POs. So let me just get this job done. Look, I'm gonna just take that out. It's a 10, it's a 13. Swap this battery out of here. I don't want to be here too long, and then I'll be back when I get this shit charged up. I'm gonna head up in this AutoZone real quick. Put the battery. Alright, we had to abort the fucking mission because the battery don't hold a charge, so it's not good. I can't use it. Which brings me to something else, man. This other fucking battery was bad too. This is the battery that was in the E38. It's an H7. It wasn't even supposed to be an H7. It's supposed to be an H9. This is an H8. And it's supposed to be an H8, but it's a fucking dead H8. So we got to talk about some battery issues with these BMWs. So we on Project Bimmers, and let's do something on some batteries. It's about that time.